Every day, more and more people are turning to AI tools like ChatGPT to find local businesses. This goes for house cleaners, landscapers, window washers, pretty much any local service business. And we've been doing this for a lot of different businesses over the past couple months, and the results have been really interesting. Traffic that comes from ChatGPT and lands on your website is way more likely to convert into a good paying customer or client because they've done their research, and once they land on your site, they're ready to buy. And the thing that's crazy is none of your competitors are optimizing for this. So this is a massive opportunity. So I'm going to break down how we do all of this into 3 phases: your website, local SEO, and AI SEO. So at the end of this, you'll know how the whole process works and how to get new customers from ChatGPT. So let's take a look at this example. This is a website that I just built for a local home cleaner. And the nice part about these websites is they don't have to be crazy complex or super custom or impressive to get mentioned on ChatGPT. You just have to make sure to do a few things really well. For websites like this, I used to charge $5,000 or $6,000. But now with the help of AI and a good website system, we basically give these away for free as part of our AI marketing system. So if you're a business owner, this is good to note. You don't need to pay a ton of money for a custom website. In fact, this might just slow you down or make it harder to rank on these AI chats. And if you're a web designer, this is a much better approach because it's much lower risk for your clients. There's no reason that a client should have to pay $5,000 up front and wait months to get a new website. So this new approach that we've taken with these websites being part of the system works way better. So the first thing that I would look at with your website is making sure you have a good intro offer. This offer should make it really appealing for new people to want to sign up or at the very least get a quote from you. Most of your competitors are just going to have contact forms, their phone number. So if you offer something like on this website where it's $100 off your first service, it makes it a lot more enticing for people to fill out the quote form and start engaging with you. You're probably not going to get as many site visitors coming from ChatGPT as you might from Google or social media, but they do convert a lot higher. But you need to make sure that your website is ready to convert them once they land there. Now, I want to show you the way that this flow works because this part is really critical. Once somebody fills out the form to get a quote, it's bringing them to this success page. And when they reach this success page, you need to make sure that you're reaching out to them as quickly as possible. You can't afford to wait 24 hours to reach out to these leads. And in fact, if you wait longer than 5 minutes, they've probably already gone to your competitor's website. So this success page kind of primes them and preps them to receive your call. You just need to make sure that you follow up with these leads as quickly as possible. This type of flow is going to make you look really good, especially considering that most of your competitors probably just have a boring, static contact form that doesn't have any sort of flow after they submit the form. Now, of course, with this website, you need to cover all the other basics. You need to have social proof, show your reviews, show the faces of your team, cover your services and locations, because having a good quality website is going to make all of the difference when it comes to ranking on Google and ChatGPT. All right, now the second part of the system is your local SEO. Now, while it might seem like AI is changing the way that marketing works, one thing that really hasn't changed much at all is the way that Google Maps and Google Business Profile works. Optimizing your listing is actually pretty easy. Just make sure that you accurately describe what your business does, the services that you offer, the locations that you cover, and then of course there are a few other optimization tricks that any AI tool could easily help you out with. Now, if you really want to boost your Google Maps listing, there are 2 things that my team helps with, but these make a huge difference. The first is your reviews or reputation. Google and these AI models care a lot about consistency and velocity of your reviews. So if you just have 20 reviews that are from years ago, that's not really going to help your listing. What Google and ChatGPT are looking for is recent, new, positive reviews. And they want new ones coming in on a consistent basis. So you should have some sort of internal system to constantly ask your customers and clients for new reviews. This is something that we set up for all of our clients with a nice branded review funnel that can filter out the negative reviews and collect all of the positive ones on your Google profile. Asking for these reviews in person and via text message is going to be way more effective than sending out emails. So make sure that you and your team prioritize these reviews. Now, the second part of boosting your maps rankings is getting local citations. This means just listing your business on as many local directories as possible. So think Yelp and yellowpages.com. Consistency across these directories is really, really important for Google and ChatGPT because they reference all of those listings. And if they see that your business is listed in hundreds of different places and your phone number and name and URL are all consistent on all of those directories, that makes you much more likely to get mentioned. So you could go out and do all of these manually. My team has an internal process where we can push hundreds of these directory listings live in a few days, which gives your maps listing a really big boost. So if you're a window cleaner and you realize that you're in the 8th position on the maps in your city, just doing these few optimizations that we talked about could easily bump you up to the top 3. Now, the other thing that I wanted to mention, which historically hasn't been really that important, but now seems to be getting a lot more traction, is posting and adding photos consistently to your Google business profile. So make sure that you're posting here every single week, multiple times a week if you can, because that consistent activity is becoming more and more effective at increasing your rankings. Now, the thing I love about this system is it actually can get really quick results. And we've all heard that SEO is really slow and you can't get results for 6, 9, or 12 months. But these basic Google business optimizations can get you results within a few days. In fact, just a few days ago, I got a text message from a client that we've only been working for a little over a week that said, I've already had 5 web form fills since we talked on Wednesday and scheduled 3 of them. So you can get some really quick wins with this stuff. All right, now that leads us to the third phase of this, which is AI SEO. Now, this is the part that nobody's doing yet, and this is where you're going to get a massive advantage over your competitors. Plus, it's going to be even more important in the coming years as search shifts and more people start using those AI tools like ChatGPT. So when someone types into ChatGPT, who is the best house cleaner in Boise, Idaho, it's not just pulling random businesses. In fact, it's pulling from a lot of the same signals that search engines like Google are using. Your reviews, your citations, your website content and keywords, and how consistent your business info is across the web. So if all of those things are in order, AI tools are going to mention your business. But if they're weak or inconsistent, they're going to ignore you. So on top of those things, there are a few things that we do specifically that work really well at getting you noticed by these AI tools. So first, we build content on your website that is specifically tailored to get noticed by AI. It's content that asks and answers the real questions that people type into these tools. That's the content that these AI tools pull from when forming answers. And if they're finding that information on your website, it means they're probably going to mention your website too. The other thing that we do, which is a big shortcut, is adding proper schema. This is basically just a translation layer that tells AI crawlers exactly what our website is about. It tells these tools what your business does, what areas you serve, and what makes you different. And this schema makes this information really clear and accessible to these AI tools so they don't have to guess. This stuff is a little bit more technical, but it's something that we've gotten the process down where we can pump it out really quickly and effectively. So when you put these 3 phases together, you got a website that converts, you're showing up on local Google Maps, and you're showing up on AI tools like ChatGPT, you're going to have incredible exposure everywhere people search. And right now, it actually seems easier to get traction as a local business than ever before. I really feel like this is just like the early years of SEO, where those businesses that get on top of this and take advantage of the opportunity are going to get way ahead. They're going to be the ones that are getting mentioned number 1 for years to come. Now, the best part about this whole system is it is made way easier with AI. So in the past, an agency would approach you and say, this is going to be a few $1,000s up front for the website, and then $2,000 or $3,000 per month for these marketing services. But now, utilizing AI, we're able to do all of this faster and cheaper than ever before. So the way we structure this is you get a custom website built in 3 days or less. You get the entire local SEO and AI SEO system plugged into your business starting day 1. And you get all of this for $1,000 a month with no setup fee. And if you're watching this video and click the link below, you can actually get the entire system for half price. So just $500 a month. We have a 100% guarantee on the website and your rankings, so you've got nothing to lose using this system. So if you're a local business and this sounds interesting to you, all of it starts with an AI visibility audit and a local rankings audit. This is something that we do completely free, and then I hop on a call with you and go over the results. This is going to show you where you currently stand and all the traffic and leads that you could be missing out on. So if this sounds interesting to you, you can find the link down below this video. Thanks so much for watching, and good luck.